Hey everyone, so I don't really have an idea how this is gonna go or when I'm even gonna upload the video, but anyways, I want to make bird suet, bird feed, my own bird feed to feed the birds. I didn't feel like spending a lot of money this year on bird feed, so I figured, you know what, I would make my own. I saw a video from the White Cottage company. She made, Mary I think is her name, she made bird feed herself. I think it was last year already, so I had to search for a while till I found that recipe, but I'm gonna try it. I don't have cornmeal, so I'm just gonna leave that out completely and see if that works or if the bird's even gonna like it. So yeah, and this video is gonna be so random, like there's just gonna be a lot of different things that I filmed over the time and some things that I'm doing now and whatever. We're just gonna roll with it. I don't really have a plan for it, so I'm gonna just do whatever I do in real life and then go from there. So anyways, I'm gonna go get my ingredients and get started. So I started writing down my recipe and now I am noticing that I haven't even written it down completely. So I'm gonna go find the recipe again and complete writing it down because I don't have it. So the recipe calls for cornmeal. I do not have cornmeal, so I'm just gonna do without it. And so it says if you want a compact suet for your birds, you heat up the lard and the peanut butter and let it cool. So that would make sense, right? So, but I think I just want a crumbly mixture. So I'm not gonna heat it. I'm just gonna mix it all together. And I think I'm gonna go with half the recipe. I'm not gonna do the whole recipe because I do not have all the ingredients. Well, just the cornmeal, but I'm not sure if that's gonna make a huge difference or not. So I'm just gonna go with half the recipe and then see if the birds even like it. So yes, and yes, I do have dishes that need to be washed, but I was cleaning the house and did the laundry today, so I'm gonna do the dishes after this. And I'm so sorry about the lighting. Actually, I'm not sorry because there's nothing I can do about it right now. So this kitchen, this whole house is pretty dark, so that's all I have to say. It really ignores...
What?
It really...
What?
It really annoys me that I have my flour and everything just in the bags, but there's nothing I can do about it right now, so we're just gonna roll with it. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy... I have this inserted the wrong way. That is not good. 1/2 cup of lard, or it says you can even use bacon grease. I guess I do have bacon grease. Maybe I should use that up, because I like to save it, but then I don't use it very often, and then I'm always kind of like, why do I keep it? But I like to keep it or save it. So you know what, I'm gonna go with bacon grease, because then I can use this to bake pie later on. So there you go. That looks like 1/2 cup of bacon grease. There you go. I think I can even make it to a suet if I wanted to. So maybe the cornmeal would make a difference. I don't know. It's actually really good. Obviously. Actually, the bacon grease and the peanut butter goes oddly well together. Like, it actually tastes good. Those two flavors combined. That's surprising. Anyways, so we're gonna go give some to the birds. You know what? It's starting to melt already. Same. No, actually I can't complain. It's not too hot here in here, but outside, oh my goodness, it's warm today. I think it's 31 degrees. So yeah, I finished all my work that I wanted to do outside this morning, which I'm so thankful for that I did, because it's not very comfortable outside. You do not want to be outside, but I do feel sorry. My sweetheart has to work out all day. So we do have a small air conditioning, so it really helps because it's such a tiny house. But even if I'm just mixing it, I get warm. Like, I would say it's probably 25 in here, maybe. I have no idea. I should not say anything. But anyways, let's go feed some to the birds.
I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. Come to the table, cup runneth over. Come drink your fill. I can hear you call my name. I can hear you call my name. Oh, I can hear you call my name. You come to the valley, come lay your head down, come rest your feet by the river.
So I might as well give you a little bit of a garden update. So this is my onions, and I think that is cilantro, I think. And my flowers, they have grown so much. I'm not even sure how many weeks it has been. That's my cabbage and my beans. You know what? I can see what I did this morning. I did fertilize them, and I can see I did a little bit too much, but they'll recover. And that's the carrots and the cherry tomato and the strawberries. I had trouble. The robins were getting my strawberries, so I have the owl in there now, and see if that will scare them off. And this is my other tomatoes. Like, I cannot believe how much they have grown. Like, it's just, yeah, they have grown so much. And one thing, so this is where I planted the cucumbers. First of all, they did come up, but they never straightened themselves out. Like, the leaves were just bending down to the ground like for days and days. So I just reseeded them again, and they're just starting to come up. A few of them got up, so that was a little bit of a bummer, but that's okay. And that's the other flowers. And this is the peppers. I am not sure what's going on with them. Probably too cool. Like, it has been pretty chilly here, so, and they do not appreciate colder weather, so I'm pretty sure that's why they're so tiny, but they're starting to form buds, so that's exciting. That's my summer savory, I think that is. So, and when I planted these, I couldn't tell you guys what these are, and now when I see the flowers, they're zinnias. I'm pretty confident about that. So anyways, that's a little bit of an update, and I will put it on the screen how many weeks it has been. I am not even sure, so I will look it up and give you guys an idea how many weeks it has been since I planted it. And now on to my kitchen. I cleaned the rest of the house today, but I still have not done the dishes today. Anyways, so let's see if this works. I've seen it on YouTube. Oh well, I guess I just have to do them. All done. Anyways, so today I made myself an iced coffee, my favorite. I'm gonna show a picture, but anyways, it was almost empty, but you know how sometimes it's not quite enough and you really want the last little bit. Anyways, that's how it was, and I was an idiot and I was propping my phone against the glass, and it dumped all over my clean floor. And today I did not say anything. I did not say any word. I was just okay. I cleaned it up, cleaned my floor again. But you know, I have a habit of saying when something goes very wrong, I'm gonna say, that's not funny. Like, even if I'm all alone in the house, whatever, I'm gonna be like, that is not funny. I don't know why I say that or yeah, what the reason behind it, but that's my habit of saying just that's not funny. And so this was not funny, but I did it. What can I say? Yeah, I have no idea where this is going, or I didn't have any plans for why I would want to film this or anything. I just thought it would be interesting maybe. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.